Hello everyone, welcome back. Here is another MTLE Recalls March 2024 for the subject ISBB. Number 1. Cryoprecipitate AHF contains all of the following except A. Red blood cells, B. Fibrinogen, C. Von Willebrand factor, or D. Fibronectin. Again, take note of the word except. The correct answer is A. Red blood cells. Number 2. Phenotype of D negative. A positive positive, B negative, C positive, or D negative negative. The correct answer is B negative. Next number. SDA can be neutralized by A. Hydatid cyst fluid, B. Plasma, C. Human breast milk, or D. Urine. The correct answer is D. Urine. Number 4. The ability of a single cytokine to alter the expression of several genes is called A. Autocrine stimulation, B. Endocrine, C. Pleiotrophy, or D. Redundancy. The correct answer is C. Pleiotropy. Number 5. Which minor blood group system can cause HDN? A. Gerbic, B. Vel, C. Gregory, or D. Holly. The correct answer is B. Vel. Number 6. Delayed hemolytic transfusion reaction except A. Hemolytic, B. Post-transfusion purpura, C. TA graft versus host disease, or D. Hemosiderosis. Again, take note of the word except. The correct answer is D. Hemosiderosis. Number 7. Improvement methodology referring to non-value-added activities considered as waste. A. Scrum, B. Agile, C. Lean, or D. Waterfall. The correct answer is C. Lean. Number 7. Possible mother-fetus incompatibility if father is Rh positive and mother is Rh negative. They have their first child without undergoing treatment. A. 0%, B. less than 50%, C. 50%, or D. 100%. Take note that the couple had their first child without undergoing treatment. So the correct answer is D. 100%. Number 9. Lactin dolichos biflorus expresses A. A1, B. P, C. K, or D. I. The correct answer is A. A1. Number 10, the last number for this video. An IF test with antibodies to detect CD3 will detect which cell? A. Circulating T cells, B. T helper lymphocytes only, C. T suppressor lymphocytes only, or D. NK cells. The correct answer would be A. Circulating T cells. So that's all for today's MTLE recalls for ISBB. If you want more recalls, you can just comment here, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you everyone. Good luck and God bless RMTs.